What's that on your shirt?
A cutter.
That's right. Who is it? Ring ring. Who is that?
Hi.
Do you want to say hello to
Hello. 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 Hello.
You want to tell them you saw firemen?
Hello.
Oop.
Hello.
What about a rainbow?
Ribbon.
That's right. And you saw peacock?
Peacock.
Right. What else did we see at the zoo?
Fireman.
Firemen at the zoo. You want to have anything else to say to people? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.